Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we look at the Windows 10 settings, we are now going to take a look at Focus Assist. Once again, Focus Assist has pretty much the same features and the same reason to exist as in Windows 11 that I posted a video about. It's to control how much apps will interfere or will notify you depending on what you do and your computer. So if you do choose to have notifications on, you can also choose what notifications will go through depending on what you're doing. So go into your Start menu and go into Settings. In Settings, in the previous video, we talked about notifications and actions, and there was a Focus Assist setting link just here. Well, it also has its own reason to exist here. Now that I've done Windows 11 and I'm doing Windows 10, I realize that Focus Assist should actually just be part of notifications and actions, because that's where it actually acts. That's where it actually does something. So it should just be part of notifications and actions and probably not have its own setting here. So anyways, Focus Assist means that you will actually prioritize what notifications go through depending on what you do. So, for example, here at the top you have it's off for me right now, so Focus Assist doesn't do anything. But I can, of course, go to Priority Only, and then Focus Assist will only do it, or notifications, will only go through when an app is a priority. And then there's, of course, Alarms Only, which means it hides notifications, but it will send you an alarm when needed. So this, of course, interacts with notifications and actions. So all the apps that you have notifications here will have a priority. So the Mail app, for example, you will set as normal, high, or top. This will actually help Focus Assist know if you are a priority in the list of notifications, and that should go through. When this happens, of course, your priority list is here. Customize your list. You will choose which app will be able to notify you in case you are doing something important. It might be working, it might be gaming, whatever. And of course, those rules can be automatic during a certain set of times, so you can choose what time it will be priority only. It can be, of course, on for alarms only here, for example, if I click alarms only, or priority only if I'm duplicating my display. Playing a game, priority only. You can choose alarms or priority. And finally, you have, of course, when I'm using an app in full screen mode, for example, stuff like that. Now, show me a summary of what I missed while Focus Assist was on is when you actually go into a mode where notifications can't go through. When you stop, say you're gaming, you stop gaming, there'll be a summary of everything that notified but wasn't able to go through while you were gaming, an example. Remember, to have 0 notifications, you have to simply go to the notifications area and turn off notifications. And that will just remove all notifications, and you won't be bothered whatever you do, whenever you do it, and you don't have to deal with Focus Assist at that time. So you can say that Focus Assist is there if you do still want to have notifications for some apps to prioritize which ones will go through depending on what you do, and of course which ones should stay silent, basically. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.